test of the Redmi K20 Pro can also be viewed as a test of Redmi K20 with the Snapdragon 730, since both phones share the exact same dimensions, weight and a screen size of 6.39 inches. The supplied case with the K20 Pro is a hard case for a change, with a nice velvet finish, but from its fit it does not actually feel that secure. More on that during the drop test. The Redmi K20 Pro is the most premium looking device so far in the Redmi series due to its notchless AMOLED display and reflective glass pattern at the back. And it also has a much slimmer in-hand feel than it actually is due to its curved glass design on both sides. It weighs in slightly on the heavier side at 191 grams, but actually feels much lighter in the hands, and the metal with dual glass sandwich design seems to initially feel strong in my usual trial bend. A quick word before the pop-up camera test for those who want confirmation regarding the performance of the flagship Snapdragon 855 processor coupled with the Adreno 640 GPU. As expected, the flagship power of the Redmi K20 Pro allows it to run regular day-to-day operations with ease, as well as enables it to play heavy games such as PUBG and Asphalt 9 at the highest possible graphics settings and frame rate allowed on the device. As you can see, both the emergency drop protection sensor and the downward pressure detection sensor on the Redmi K20 Pro works without fail as advertised. The 20 megapixel pop-up selfie camera with LED lights is pretty strongly built and can hold up the entire weight of the device on its own, so no worries of accidental hand pressure damaging it. Onto the audio quality of the single bottom firing external speakers in the sound test. The sound quality of the external speaker is one of the best, if not the best, as far as single speakers go, with good balance of mids and highs, excellent clarity and loudness. Testing out the quality of this Corning tempered glass protection you're paying for in the scratch test by rubbing both sides with common items and a heavy duty box cutter. The blade is always able to scratch up and damage poor quality tempered glass found on most Oppo and Vivo devices and every Realme device tested on the channel. Though on the other hand, the blade does not really affect genuine Corning glasses, which always survive without any major scratches or damages. The glass protection on both sides of the Redmi K20 Pro is actually genuine Corning glass, suffers no damage from the blades as expected and passes the test. Next up, moving on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. Let's find out if the build of the Redmi K20 Pro has any structural weakness that you should be aware of, and is it as strong as the OnePlus 7 Pro. After a string of Redmi fails in the past, it's kind of a relief that a well-designed Redmi K20 Pro is made out of premium quality metal and glass build and passes my bend test with ease. In the drop test, let's drop the K20 Pro onto hard concrete with an ordinary tempered glass and the company supplied hard case. From the first pocket height drop itself, the screen is shattered at the bottom even with the tempered glass installed. And the only reason for the fail is the supplied hard case, which does not give any protection, especially from display side drops. The supplied case is good only for show and is highly recommended to use third party cases.